Last week was my 30th birthday. If I could go back and give my younger self a cheat sheet for the 20s, these are the lessons I would scream at her to take seriously because I wish someone told me earlier. So watch on because this video might just save you a decade of regret. Number 1, stop giving many fucks about what others think. People are too busy trying to survive Tinubu's economy. Trust me, we are not thinking about you. Today, how many hours have you dedicated to thinking about that your new colleague? None. So why do you think they're thinking about you and what you choose to do with your life? There should be very few people you care about their opinion. Number 2, your body is your greatest asset. It's easier to stick to a fitness routine in your 20s. The habits you build now are the foundation of your 30s and beyond. Prioritize your health like your life depends on it, because it does. Start exercising regularly, drink water like it's a job, and please sleep. Trust me, your 30-year-old self will thank you. Number 3, who you date and ultimately marry can make or break you. Don't be in a haste. There is no hard rule that says you must get married before 30. Don't pour your best years into a relationship forgetting yourself. And yes, date up. Number 4, be selfish. It's okay. You can't keep pouring and taking care of others without prioritizing yourself. And if you're the first child or the first daughter, don't spend all your money on black tas. You are still at the building stage. Don't squander your seed capital on family. Do what you can and rest. Trust me, they'll be fine. Number 5, be big on self-worth. Don't shrink to fit. Do not play small to make others comfortable. Don't do that. Walk into every room like you belong there, because you do. Say yes to opportunities that scare you. You're not too young. Say yes, then go figure it out. Number 6, you are not meant to remain friends forever with some friends. It's okay to outgrow some friendships. Don't feel guilty. I wish I understood this earlier. Choose your tribe carefully. The people you surround yourself with will either push you forward or drag you back. Number 7, for single Pringles, cherish your singlehood. Do the things that make you happy. Travel. If you can explore hobbies, it's easier to do some things now you are single with no partner to be accountable to than when you are coupled up and have a family. Number 8, walk away from toxic relationships. Whether it's a friend or a lover, don't kill yourself based on say you spend so many years there. You are just in your 20s. You have a whole lot ahead of you. Do you really want to live like this for the rest of your life? Number 9, aggressively build up your earning capacity. Now is the best time to pick up skills and specialize. That's what will make you wealthy in your 30s and 40s. What kind of jobs or empire do you see your future self running? This is the time to become the person capable of that. 10, it's okay to be jacks of all trades. At this age, feel free to explore as many hustles as you can till you hit your goal. You are young, you bounce back faster. Don't be worried if people will say you don't hold up a job or a business for long. Remember, we are no longer giving plenty fucks about some people that don't matter. You try, you fail, you try again till you blow. 11, beauty is a currency. Stack on that. Don't be lazy with your looks. Be intentional with how you show up. Your looks, skincare, grooming, styling, comportment, they all matter. Invest in beauty. Yes, spend money and effort on how you look. Number 12, network. It will shock you to know that the higher you climb, the less it becomes about what you know, but more of who speaks for you in rooms you may or may not have access to. Be intentional about who you want in your circle. By all means, seek them out. Make a list. Hopefully, you're also working on becoming the kind of person they want in their circle. And look at those on your level as well, your peers. This is the best time to build your circle, friends you can grow and blow with. Number 13, it's okay if you don't know what to do with your life yet. Be open to trying different things. In trying, you find your calling. Number 14, wealth. The most important thing is not necessarily how much you make, but how much you can keep. Wealth just doesn't come with age. You can be great and broke. Many people are. Wealth is something you intentionally build up. Invest. And oh, here is a little thing to think about. The price of one designer bag can buy you shares in companies like Amazon, Tesla, Netflix. Which do you think will pay you back in the next 10 years? Lucky you, I'm an investment banker. As a member of this channel, you will soon be sending testimonials like this. Do subscribe if you've not. 15, have you thought of relocating? No, not necessarily Japa, but like leaving your city. The life or opportunities you seek might be in a different location. You are young, be open to moving if need be. I know they shift my life too when I moved to Lagos. That's just an example. 16, know something about different things. The world changes fast. The moment you stop learning, you start falling behind. Spend more time in your 20s developing skills, reading books. The more you know, the better you are at holding conversations and creating opportunities for yourself. Learn from books, YouTube, courses, events. The goal is to keep leveling up. 17, imagine where you will be in the next 20 years if you start now instead of waiting for the perfect time. Start messy messy, start unprepared, learn as you go. Whether it's a side hustle, a business, a skill, the earlier you start, the more time you have to grow and fail. And failure is where you will learn the most. Don't wait for New Year resolution. Start building today. Start today. 18. Blow your own trumpet. You may be the best in your field, but if you don't know that, nothing for you. Don't be the best kept secret. The opportunities go to the ones we know. Document your journey, share your wins, share your progress. You can be a private person, but your good work should be out there. 19. Don't cry over spilled milk. It's a waste of energy. I have a simple rule. Can I do something about it? If yes, I do it. If no, what's the need? I move on. You can adopt the 7-7 rule. If it won't matter in the next 7 years, don't spend more than 7 minutes worrying about it. 20. It's a beautiful thing having a close relationship with God. It sort of keeps you centered, and it will save you a lot of headache from vices people in their 20s get entangled with. No, I'm not talking about religion. More of knowing God for yourself, regardless of what religion you belong to. Number 21, hobbies. It's easy to get engulfed in work, relationships, responsibilities. Having a hobby is essential. Paint, dance, cook, make videos, whatever. Whatever brings you joy. Life is too short to be all works and no play. Pro tip, something I wish I learned earlier. Not all hobbies are equal. Why you do what makes you happy? Consider adding another that will give you access and advantage. Golf, chess, tennis, you get the drift. 22. What will make you blow or give you the result you are looking for is probably something you've not even thought of. How will you discover it if you don't keep trying? 23. Your parents are getting older. They won't always be there. Your siblings won't always live close by. I don't know the level of success that can replace the memories you create with the people you love. Test and call your family more often. 24. Please be nice to people. It's a human thing to do, and it comes with rewards actually. I don't know how to network, but doors open for me based on people I have been nice in the past. Some I don't even remember. Number 25. What is your unfair advantage? Answer that question. If you feel you don't have one, your 20s is the time to start building one. 26. For God's sake, don't become good at something you hate. That's recipe for a sad life. Come on, this is your 20s. You have ample time to start over. Go back to school if need be. 27. If you can wake up 1 hour earlier, your life will change for good. Not wake up and press phone, but put serious work into that personal goal or target you have. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. 28. Get comfortable saying no. You don't have to explain yourself or make excuses. No is a complete sentence. Use it more often. 29. Learn to be bored. Don't always seek distractions. You'll be amazed at the ideas that come to your head when you are bored. So yeah, give boredom a chance. 30. The people you admire have paid their dues. If they are older, remember they didn't start today. Some of them started when you were still in school even. Some of them have been in the game from back when you were still a kid. Be patient and put in the work too. And the ultimate part, if you want to give yourself the early start by starting your investment journey and making smart money choices that can make you a multi-millionaire in your 20s, head to the description now, click on the video's links and watch step by step how you could make that happen.